Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make cheesy peas with coconut, or Matar Paneer. It's very, very easy. It's a bit of a classic. This is a coconut based one we're doing today. Several ways of making it. I'm going to make another one just after this actually. But yeah, really lovely, vegetarian, healthy, fantastic. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here then. So I've got 300 ml of coconut milk there. I've got 2 cups of peas. These are a frozen garden pea. I just put them in some cold water and we're going to cook away with those. Here's our paneer. Now you can get paneer fresh, you can get it in cans, or most commonly frozen. This is frozen. I've got 200 grams of that. Paneer is obviously, it's a cheese, like a soft cheese. 1 onion or 1 cup of chopped onion there. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, some fresh curry leaves if you can get them, they're absolutely wonderful. This is methi, dried methi leaves. We're going to rub that in our hands and get that in there. Fresh cilantro, coriander. Here I've got 2 teaspoons of turmeric, chili. I'm using the Kashmiri chili powder, by the way. Coriander, cumin. I've got 2 teaspoons there of cumin seeds and some fresh chilies. The amount is up to you. Let's get moving. Okay, it's very simple, this one. So I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. If you wanted, you could use some coconut oil maybe, or even some mustard oil. What we're going to do is start off by dropping in those cumin seeds. And just for a few seconds, let them do their thing in the oil as it heats. We're on quite a high heat. I've just put that on now. They'll infuse the oil, give it a lovely flavour. Then the fresh curry leaves, in they go. Now, if you can't get fresh curry leaves, you might be able to get them dry. So try and get them dry, but fresh are amazing. Then we're going to go in with our onion. Our garlic ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Salt. Stay on this high heat for 3 minutes and keep it moving. Okay, so that's just 3 minutes to get all that happening. Next up, we're going to drop in our peas, our frozen garden peas. To that, I'm going to add my fresh chili. And like I say, that's up to you how much you want to put in. Now the spices, let's take one more look, shall we? 2 teaspoons each. Chili powder, coriander, cumin and turmeric. In that goes. Staying on this high heat, 2 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. We don't want to burn our spices, otherwise they will become bitter. Absolutely nothing to this one, and it really is delicious. Next up, we're going to drop in our paneer. 200 grams I've got there of a frozen paneer. And what you do with it is, again, just put it into some cold water for a few minutes. I'm then going to add 300 ml of coconut milk. Then we're going to grab the methi leaves, and what you do is you just rub it in your hands like that, break it, in it goes. We're going to lower the heat to medium. We're going to let that go for 4 to 5 minutes. We've nearly done it. So easy. Right, you've done it. Incredible. Off goes the heat. Check the salt levels. Let's get some lovely fresh coriander or cilantro in there, whatever you might call that where you come from. Yeah, check it for salt. But that's a beauty. Job done. So easy. All right, and there you go. That was easy, wasn't it? And it's absolutely delicious. Doesn't take long at all. Really beautiful. I'm going to make another version of this with a tomato base. Several ways you can do it, but yeah, really delicious, vegetarian, delicious with some bread, like roti, chapati, or with rice. That's up to you. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you really soon. Please keep safe. Please keep well. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that. Just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us. That would really help us out a lot. We just hit 100 million views. We're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot. A lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money. I'm broke. Lots of love.